The governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo Chalinwambafo, has demonstrated in clear terms that he is not only a governor of Anambra State, but a father to all. He made this known during one of the Solution Youthpreneur programs. According to the governor, he said that the greater number of the youths of Anambra are hardworking and needed little push to perform great wonders positively in their respective endeavors. He urged those who are creating problems for the state to come out and surrender and be specially trained and empowered.
A large percentage of our youth, 99.99%, are hardworking. They are honest people. They want to take their destiny in their own hands. They want to have a future for themselves. They only need our push. But all of us must bond together and fight that 0.01% because they are giving us a bad name. If you come out and surrender, we will devise special 1U2 skills for you, train you and empower you and reintegrate you into society. But if you fail to come out from there, I can tell you with the Agune Chamber and Operation Udogachi, we are coming after you. We are coming after you. We are coming after you. There will be no hiding place. They have to make a choice. And for us, we've chosen the path of enterprise, hard work, and integrity. For them, they choose now to be in the bush and come out to collect from those who have worked hard. We said that won't work. Not in Anambra. They could find somewhere else.
This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube. Follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi.